Imagine a journey where education meets adventure, where cultural immersion blends with personal growth, and where your experiences shape a better world. Welcome to Conscious Connections Abroad. This isn't just a study abroad program, it's a movement. Experience daily wellness practices, gain valuable career skills, and engage in hands-on work with ethical business and community projects. Our academic credits, certifications, and career workshops ensure that your journey is both impactful and future-focused. Beyond the classroom, discover South Africa's rich culture and stunning landscapes. Hike through Indigenous trails, surf in the ocean, and engage in cultural traditions that connect you with the land and its people. This program is designed for change makers. Whether you're a student, gap year traveler, or young professional, you'll gain real-world experience, global networks, and industry-recognized certifications. Are you ready for a life-changing adventure? Join us for an experience that transforms not only your career, but your perspective on the world. Visit our website and apply today.
Esa